So I just had this idea to clean my car, and I have like 15 minutes maybe to do so. But I just had the idea to film it. So yeah, it's gonna be fun for me at least. Okay, so last week I ordered a car vacuum. Looks like that. This is also gonna be like a review video. I don't know if this is gonna work, but it's so cool. Okay. So yeah, we're gonna see if it cleans. Also, my car's a mess in general, so yeah, that's just part of the mess. Yeah, we're gonna put everything, just gonna throw everything in the back. Yeah, some there's receipts and a wallet, and yeah. Okay, we're gonna see if this works. Okay, so the vacuum doesn't really work that well, so like I feel like I have to leave it on the ground for like a good 5 seconds so that I can take like one or two things. But maybe it's because like this hole right here is like, it's like back there. Okay, I'm gonna put this on there. I'm doing this the right way, or the other way around. I'm assuming that's how you put it on, and then yeah, we'll see. Battery. My phone lasted for like 2 minutes. You know what? It's a good thing I have the charger. So I'm just gonna charge it at like, I'm going into work right now in like a few minutes. So I'll just charge it there. Wow! So I found a trash bag. Well, actually I already had this, and that's where I put all the trash. And then I found another trash bag where I can put like the water bottles that are empty. And I also found some Windex. Yay. I don't have a towel or anything, so I'll just have to also get that at work and then clean the windows because they're very dirty. Okay, so if it looks like I just ran for like an hour. I didn't. I just had a dance class, and then it's like a 6-minute walk from the dance center to here, and then there's like, I'm parked on the 3rd floor, so then there's stairs. Anyways, on the bright side, there's no cars next to me, so I am good. So I found more stuff, another 10 water bottles. Ta-da! Look how clean it is. At least to me it looks clean. I don't know about you, but this looks good enough to me. I hope I don't end up in like someone's like random like an Insta story or like Snapchat story, like, oh, look at this girl cleaning her car in the parking garage at her school. That'll be a very funny video of just seeing me with a vacuum. Yeah, it's a pretty random place. Anyways, I think that's sort of it. I might just take it to a car wash, either way. What I was avoiding.